Lenovo LOQ Essential.
Unity System Solutions.
Lenovo LOQ usually has a design quite similar to the company's Legion line, but this year's LOQ 15 has many changes in design language. The device has a reasonably complete design with sturdy plastic material. The back is roughened with a glossy LOQ logo in the middle, giving it a neat and minimalist feel compared to being placed on the top edge like other LOQ devices. Processor Intel Core i5-12450HX, 8-core. Graphics NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 4GB. Memory 12GB SO-DIMM DDR5. Storage 512GB NVMe. Display Lenovo LOQ has a relatively large screen of up to 15.6 inches, providing a spacious space. The bezel is designed to be relatively thin to create a comfortable feeling when using this screen. IPS screen technology and Full HD resolution help reproduce sharp images, with a brightness of about 300 nits, fully meeting the needs of practical work and study. Connectivity. Lenovo LOQ 15IAX9E has various connection ports, fully meeting users' needs. On the right side, the device has a USB-A port and SD memory card slot for easy connection to peripheral devices such as a mouse or keyboard, or for copying data from an SD memory card. Keyboard white backlit, English. Touchpad buttonless Mylar Surface multi-touch touchpad. Battery 3-cell, 57Wh, integrated. Supports Rapid Charge Pro, charge up to 50% in 30 minutes. Stereo speakers, 2W x 2, optimized with Nahimic audio.